On today's video, I have an update for you on my Husky Brad nailer. Ooh, you're going to want to see that, right? Yeah, okay.
This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep. Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OGJ, and it's nice to have you back here in the trailer hood. We've got some sunshine, but very cold temperatures because it is January in Maine, so it's pretty damn cold. A couple of days ago, I had a birthday. Thank you very much. Yeah, you could care less. But I got a nice phone call bright and early in the morning from my aunt who lives in the Great White North of New Brunswick, Canada, and we had a nice conversation, and she was asking me, what's going on, what have I been up to, and well, we started talking about this channel and things that I've done and things that I've made, and because of an article, well, actually a news story that a local television station did last year about the squirrel picnic tables that I made, I have become the squirrel guy, and we talked about that, and she sent me something that she's had for a while. Apparently my cousin, Sandra, whose last name was Jones, I'm not sure what it is now, but Sandy, sorry, I don't know your last name anymore. That's why women should just keep their names, keep your identities, and then I'll know who you are. Especially when I go on, Facebook and look around trying to find old classmates, I'll know who they are. Not that I'm stalking anybody, I'm not. I'm really not. But anyway, she did this years ago. Apparently she waited for a very long time to get this chipmunk or squirrel or whatever the heck it is and get it to stick its tongue out. So yeah, that made my whole day right there. I thought that was pretty damn clever. I like that. So thanks for sending me that, my aunt. Her name is Sonia, and thank you so much. It made my whole day. Now getting back to what we're here to talk about, and that is this little jewel right here, a Husky Brad nailer that I did an unboxing a few months ago, and I just wanted to, every time I do an unboxing, I like to do an update on it after a few months and let you know just how it's going. And this is one of the most used tools that I have in my shed. I use this all the time. I use it on a daily basis. Not a day goes by I don't have something that I have to nail together. And I do a lot of small projects, so the Brad nailer works just nice. It's perfect. And this one, well, I did buy it. This is not an actual picture of mine. This is a stock photo I found. That's why it's crappy. But I bought this. I bought mine refurbished. New ones are about $75, $80. You can get them at Home Depot or Lowe's and places like that. You can get them online. I think I paid, I don't know, $35, $40 for mine, and I got to tell you, couldn't be happier. This thing, I've dropped it on the ground at least a dozen times. Still works perfect. I have left it, well, it's been in the cold shed, and a lot of tools, you really want to warm them up a little bit before you use them, because it gets quite cold here. It gets below zero, and I've had no problems with this whatsoever. It takes 2-inch nails, up to 2-inch nails. It takes up to, 3/4 inch crown staples, which I have not used yet. One of the reasons I bought this particular nail gun was I was going to use it to help insulate the shop with the crown staples. I never got the crown staples. I forgot all about it, so I didn't get to use it for that, which would have been a lot easier. But I still have more to go, so maybe I'll do that. But as far as the Brad nails go, there's no jamming with this. It accepts all different types of Brad nails, different brand names. I've used not just the Husky ones. I've used just about anything you can imagine. They all work well in it, which I've had problems in other Brad nailers before. I've had like Boss Stitch nailers. If you didn't use the Boss Stitch nails, it would jam, and this one will use the Boss Stitch, it'll use the Husky, it'll use whatever you want to put in it. So far, anyway, I haven't had it jam, not once. And this one, as I mentioned in the video, the original video, This has the ability to do bump fire, which you just pull the trigger, push it down on the wood, nail goes out, push it down again, another nail goes out, and makes life a lot easier. And a lot of the newer nail guns won't do that. This one actually has a switch on it, so you can either bump fire or not bump fire. So if you're safety conscious, you can put it the other way, and just every time you pull the trigger, you'll get a nail. So that's pretty good. I like to bump fire because it's fun, and it's fun to say bump fire, isn't it? But yeah, I couldn't be happier with it. It's a great tool. So far, so good. I always say the test of time is the only test that really matters. And it's only been a few months, but I've probably used this more than the average guy would use one, in a year. And I have no problem. The one thing I can't stress enough is use pneumatic oil on all of your air tools. Just put a couple of drops right down at the where it plugs into the air hose. Just hold up your tool and put a couple of drops in there every once in a while. I try to do that at least once or twice a week, and I shouldn't have any problem. That keeps all the little gaskets and everything nice and lubricated, and they don't dry out and break on you like so many other tools. So as long as you do that, you should be all set. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty quick video. I just wanted to let you know that that particular tool, it's working perfect. Couldn't be happier. Husky, you did a good job with this one. I've had some Husky tools in the past that worked okay. This is definitely the best one that I've ever owned. So take it from the old guy. You can't go wrong with that one. And it's not that expensive. Even if you buy it brand new at the store, $75 for a quality brad nailer isn't bad at all. It's pretty good. I've seen some other ones that were just a little under that at other places I'm not going to mention, that they're just complete crap. And some of them have the word central in them. I'll just put it I'll just say that. I don't want to get sued by anybody. I don't like to badmouth tools, but the Husky did very well for me. So, and I think this little guy here, he agrees. So that's it. That's a quick video on this Wednesday. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for stopping by the Trailer Hood. I sure do appreciate it. I've got more stuff coming up. I do. I've got more tools on the way. I've got more unboxings on the way. I've got a Zoom call with a friend of mine that's going to happen in a few days. Unfortunately, I tried to send out the package the other day, did not get sent out. At the time of this recording, it is sitting in somebody's car right now. And at some point, it's going to be dropped off at UPS, and then we'll go from there. And it's something that I made for a friend of mine, and I just can't wait to talk to him. It's going to be good. So we can all look forward to that, I guess. That's going to do it for the old guy in the Trailer Hood. Until the next time, I'm out.